We are going to take a look at a Cemco multi-head vertical boring machine. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. Cemco multi-head vertical boring machines have been getting harder and harder to find. This one has 8 motors, 7 of which are 1.5 horsepower and the 8th 1 horsepower. All are 1,725 RPM. While the machine has 8 spindles and 8 motors, 2 sets of shafts are missing to make all 8 heads work. These can be added for around $400 if you need all 8 heads to work. You can choose between single cycle or automatic mode from 0 to 30 strokes per minute. The hydraulic spindle feed is a 2 horsepower variable volume hydraulic pump. The table measures 18 inches in depth by 87 inches wide. This particular Cemco has approximately 6 inches of stroke with 2 spring-loaded hold downs.